Nongïalam juga sang National People's Party hakajala mekhlaya ubarang lo cukup por umati ka sarkar umat kismarak ulalen baka Agatha sangma kabrang ke MP jo kalak sabha na po tura kala Kyrshan ya ka Citizenship Amendment Act habakan baka jingile election MP jo Agatha na kalak jo umat kus ulong baka sang kadan jo kermen baka job be ya ke election susu ulong ruba amtang na tura hande ka sang NPP kan job lu na po shalong seat baru kuntu ya ki pa ba jo khasi jing tiaman Kyrshan ya ka sang NPP na mar ki kam mapha ki baka sarkar ka le hakani ka jala.
But many allegation is that she supported CIA.
CIA, I don't, that is only allegations which they wanted to put an allegation.
No, it's a reality. She supported.
That's what, but then it is not the same, here.
No, it is a central support she has given.
So now,
You are a senior leader. There are allegations that Agatha Sangma has not done anything being an MP. Your allegations.
why don't you go to Garo Hills and then move around and then, find out what Agatha has done. Lots of things Agatha has done.
Can you name
It is, many.
No, many is a general statement.
So, how do I remember? So many school buildings she has funded from MP-led schemes. And then even these centrally sponsored schemes, fundings also. She was behind us in every project getting sanctioned in Delhi. Seeing his performances, we are very happy and we are very hopeful of getting through.
So the opponent, you don't take him seriously.
See, elections we count every vote. So therefore, we take seriously all the opponents. Whether the opponent is big or small, that doesn't matter, but opponent is opponent. We take seriously.
So are you taking BJP support? Because they are not putting candidates now, till now.
I don't know about BJP. It's a totally different political party. So
Will you be approaching?
you can put up a question to them.
No,
Congress has alleged that Agatha was not present in Tura constituency the whole 5 years, but only before election, now she is starting to be part of some government functions along with Chief Minister. What do you have to say?
It's a allegation from Congress. No? Definitely they will make this kind of allegations. You ask from us where she was. She was very much with us, and then she was with every programs with us. So Congress will definitely make this kind of allegations.
So as of now, she is winning.
She will win definitely. Any doubt?
NPP has any doubt? No.
Sorry?
NPP no doubt, no.
No doubt we will win. We are very hopeful of winning.
What about Shillong?
Shillong also we are hopeful of winning.
But there are issues.
We are appealing to the people of Kasij and Hills also. Should go for the NPP party. NPP party has tried level best under the leadership of Cornet Kesama. You must have seen state being transformed now. So we are hopeful of getting the support of the people of our state, MPs in Delhi. So to get the clearance of all these centrally sponsored schemes will be very easy for us.